Okay, so here we're gonna do a simple flower arrangement, but I'm going to kind of cheat because I don't have anything inside my bowl. So a lot of times you're gonna start with the green foam, or you can do the chicken wire all bundled up so that it adheres, you have something for your stems to go into. But I don't have any in place right now, so I'm just going to put my stems in my bowl and basically kind of wing it. And I thought I would show you how I do this. And then you can decide if this is like what you would do. Okay, this, I remember that is a little bit difficult to put in, so. I'm gonna do the stem, these stems kind of going out in this direction more. I guess there's something called balance. But I don't know if I have it down quite right. Okay, we'll add more as we go. This is kind of, as you can see, my base with these. Okay, now we just start doing the fill-in part on what's gonna look good. And I'm gonna try this and see if I like this part. I don't think I will, but it might work. Okay, that does work. Okay, well, I want a little pumpkin there, kind of popping out like that. And I'm gonna stick this one, he's kind of already curved. I'm gonna stick him down in there, see if I can get him to find a little spot. Since I still have some more of these, I would like to elongate this part a little bit more if I can. The trick is that you don't want them to fall out when you don't have any foam that they're going into. So, there. It's a little bit fuller. I wonder if I can get another little pumpkin right here. Whoops. Okay. So let me move this around and I'm going to show you what this is looking like. So we have a paper mache bowl that we're using for our base, and we have these in our online store. But sometimes they sell out, so I don't know on their availability all the time. You can always peel these apart as well, like, you know, this way. So if you don't want them quite as thick, you can play around with, you know, how they're. All right. All right, I think we have some sort of balance, maybe. A little pumpkin-y there. This isn't gonna work very good if you have little kids or grandkids that are gonna play with your flower arrangements, but no, that one looks too funny right there. Put that back. Let's see if I can sneak him down below. Okay, Mr. Pumpkin. Okay, he didn't like being there, so he's gonna go find a new home over here. And I have this extra little stem. Okay, you wanna see our flower arrangement? As you can see, I'm touching it very gingerly because there's nothing really holding it in place, but just all the stuff. So anyways, that's pretty simple and easy. That might want to be tucked down a little bit more, but you know, sometimes you don't actually need a bunch of stuff. Here, let's do that. I kind of like that a little more. I might want to tuck that one. Whoop. Okay, so pretty simple.